Hello everyone, how are you? This is a Al Amin. Today I would like to talk about my daily tasks. So let's start. First of all, thank you for give me your valuable time. In this time, I am going to keep practicing a little bit speaking English because if I keep practicing, then I'll become more confidence for one day. So I need to able to fluent speaker for one day. That's why I try my best day by day. After that, this place actually feels very nice because the web felt amazing as much as I feel nice. In fact, it's time to work hard because if I believe work hard, then I will must be learning for new things every day. That's why I try my best a day by day. However, in the village, most of the people say you couldn't find any work because this place couldn't very bad position as long as I can be do it for one day in my dream because I try to never give up for my dream. In fact, there are many furry fields in my place, as well as the birds over the tree. This tree, sorry, these birds singing a song so that I can hear this song. In this time, I really feeling well because I enjoy myself as well as I see for any kind of job, because if I can be do it for any job, then I will make money for myself as much as possible. Today this atmosphere is really sunny, as well as this wave feels nice. I think if I learning a new skill, I should be try, because if I should be try, then I will learning new things day by day. According to my situation, it includings are very bad because I need to make more money, but I couldn't find any kind of work. After complete my degree, I will left for another country, because I hardly, if I left for another country, then I will be able to good work, as well as I supposed to myself for meetings a new people and new culture as much as possible. In this time, I gonna be next video, then I am more confident because during I have any interview, then I want to talk a real life person. That's why I believe if I try more and more, then I will be able to fluent speaker for one day. So as far as I try my best, so that's all fitty about me. Thank you everyone for your patience and habit.